discuss gaseous state numericals. In the gaseous state, we have seen gas laws and ideal gas equation. Regarding that numericals, we'll see. We'll take one numerical. A gas occupies 300 ml at 27 degrees Celsius. 300 ml at 27 degrees Celsius and 730 mm pressure. What would be its volume? What would be its volume? What would be its volume at STP? What would be its volume at STP? Sir, now we'll see. This will take for this. What is the pressure given? 730 mm. What is the volume given? 300 ml. 300 ml. Sir, is equal to, it is pressure, it is volume. Now number of moles of gas into gas constant or temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, convert into Kelvin. Okay. Next we will see. Next we will go for this. For this STP, standard temperature and pressure. Standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere is 760 mm. Then volume we have to find. We have to find volume is equal to, volume we have to find here is equal to number of moles of gas into R. Temperature is standard temperature. Standard temperature is 273 Kelvin. Okay. Now we will take this is as first equation, this is as second equation. Now we will do 1 by 2. We will take 1 by 2. So first equation 730 mm into 300 ml, number of moles of gas into R into temperature 300 Kelvin. Second equation is what? 760 mm into volume unknown, we have to find it, number of moles of gas or temperature 273 Kelvin. Now we will cancel the common terms. Common terms is what means mm we will cancel and the number of moles of gas we will cancel, R we will cancel, Kelvin we will cancel. Now we can calculate V, volume we can calculate. The volume is equal to this 300 ml into 273 by 300. 300. So 300 get cancelled. Therefore volume is equal to 273 ml. So we are getting a volume is how much in the sense 273 ml we are getting. Sorry. We will go to next sum. Let us go to next sum. A gas at 0 degrees Celsius. A gas at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. And 1 atmospheric pressure occupies 2.5 liter. What change in temperature? What change in temperature would be necessary? Would be necessary if the pressure is to be adjusted to 1.5 atmosphere. Adjusted to 1.5 atmosphere. And the gas has been transferred to, and the gas has been transferred to, and the gas has been transferred to a 2 liter container. 2 liter container. Okay. So first we will see. So here what is given means a gas at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure occupies 2.5 liter. So it is a 2.5 liter vessel. Here gas is present. It is 1 atmosphere and 0 degrees Celsius. What change in temperature would be necessary if the pressure is to be adjusted to 1.5 atmosphere and the gas has been transferred to a 2-liter container cell? So now we will take 2-liter container. This is what means a 2-liter container. Pressure is adjusted to 1.5 atmosphere and what is the change in temperature? What is the change in temperature is the question. So for which we will take PV is equal to nRT. Now pressure we will substitute 1 atmosphere. Volume will substitute 2.5 liter. Number of moles of gas or temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, convert into Kelvin. For this we will substitute pressure is 1.5 atmosphere. Volume is 2 liter. Number of moles of gas or temperature we do not know. We do not know temperature. This first equation, it is second equation. Let us divide 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. In the first equation, what is there? 1 atmosphere, 2.5 liter, number of moles of gas, temperature 273 Kelvin. Okay, so 1 atmosphere, then 2.5 liters vessel, 2.5 liter vessel, number of moles of gas into or temperature is how much in the sense 273 Kelvin. Now we will take second equation. In the second equation, what is the pressure given in the sense 1.5 atmosphere? Volume is how much in the sense 2 liter vessel, number of moles of gas or temperature we have to find it. So by simplifying this one, we will find the temperature. We can find what are the common things that we will cancel. This atmosphere will cancel, liter will cancel, number of moles cancel or cancel. Okay, temperature Kelvin is left. We will simplify this. We will get temperature. Temperature is how much in the sense 327.6 Kelvin. Now what is the question? Now we got a temperature for this. Temperature for this is 327.6 Kelvin. We got it. Here temperature is 273 Kelvin. Now they are asking a change in temperature. They are asking what means change in temperature. They are asking. So change in temperature is equal to final temperature, that is 327.6 Kelvin minus initial temperature 273. It is equal to change in temperature. We got it. Change in temperature in Kelvin. We got the answer. Okay. We'll go to next sum. Calculate the volume occupied by. Calculate the volume occupied. Calculate the volume occupied by 7 gram N2. 7 gram N2 at 27 degrees Celsius. At 27 degrees Celsius and 750 mm of mercury. And 750 mm of mercury. 750 mm of mercury. Now what they are asking, calculate the volume. Calculate the volume in the sense, what is the formula? PV is equal to nRT. In the PV is equal to nRT formula, first we will take a volume is unknown, pressure we will take. Pressure is equal to how much given means 750 mm is given. Let us convert this into atmosphere. So to convert this into atmosphere, we have to divide this by 760. Now the unit becomes atmosphere. To convert millimeter into atmosphere, divide this by 760. So we got pressure. Okay. Then temperature given how much means 27 degrees Celsius, convert into Kelvin. So add 273 into this. Therefore we got Kelvin. Next mass of nitrogen given, convert this into number of moles. So number of moles of N2 is equal to mass of N2 by gram molecular mass of N2. Gram molecular mass of N2. Mass of N2 is how much means 7 gram. Gram molecular mass of N2 is 28 because atomic mass is 14. 14 into 2, 28 gram per mole. Okay. So what is a unit in the sense 1 by 4 moles? We can say gram get cancelled. So mole 1 by 4 moles. Now we will take a ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. We will take pressure. We will substitute 75 by 76 atmosphere. Volume we have to find it. Number of moles is 1 by 4 moles. R value is how much? Means 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. It is R value, universal gas constant. Temperature is how much? Means 300 Kelvin. So we can find it volume. So we will simplify this one. We are getting volume, we are getting, that is 6.239. Okay, what is the unit? We will see. So regarding unit, we will cancel the common units. Atmosphere we cancelled, mole and per mole cancels, per Kelvin and Kelvin cancel. What is left in the sense? Liter. So liter is the left. Okay, so we got volume, we got it. Okay, let us go to next question. Calculate the temperature at which, calculate the temperature at which 28 gram N2 occupies a volume of, occupies a volume of 10 liter at 2.46 atmosphere. 2.46 atmosphere. Okay, sorry, here what is given? Pressure is given in atmosphere given. Okay, volume is given in liter. Okay, now mass of nitrogen is given. Let us convert this into number of moles of nitrogen. So number of moles of nitrogen is equal to mass of nitrogen by gram molecular mass of nitrogen. Mass of nitrogen given is 28 gram. Gram molecular mass of nitrogen is 28 gram per mole, because atomic mass is 14 for nitrogen. 14 into this 2, 28 gram per mole, which is equal to 1 mole. Number of moles of nitrogen we got. Now we will take ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT will take. We will substitute pressure. Pressure is 2.46 atmosphere. Then we will substitute volume. Volume is how much? Means 10 liter. Number of moles is 1 mole we got. R value is 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Then temperature we can find it. Okay, so we got temperature. Temperature is 299.64 Kelvin. Temperature is this much. So next question we will find. We will go to next question. Calculate the weight of methane. Calculate the weight of methane. Methane formula CH4 in a 9 liter cylinder. In a 9 liter cylinder at 16 atmosphere. And 27 degrees Celsius. R is equal to, capital R is equal to 0.08 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Okay, so now we have to find the mass of methane. We have to find. We'll take ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. In ideal gas equation, required things we will substitute. Pressure. P is called pressure. Pressure is given 16 atmosphere. And V is called volume. Volume is given 9 liter. And N is called number of moles of methane into 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. It is what means R value. R value they said 0.08. So we will substitute 0.08 only. Sorry. Then temperature we will find. Temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. Convert into Kelvin and substitute. So now we will get a number of moles of methane. We will get number of moles of methane. We got it. Okay. So we got what in the sense number of moles of methane. Then we will see next one. Next mass of methane, weight of methane. We have to find it. So now we will take number of moles of methane is equal to mass of methane by gram molecular mass of methane. Gram molecular mass of methane. Gram molecular mass of methane is 16 gram per mole. Why? Because carbon is 12. Carbon atomic mass is 12. Hydrogen atomic mass 1. 4 times is there. 4 into 1, 4. So hydrogen is 4. Carbon is 12. Sum is 16. So gram molecular mass of methane is 16 gram per mole. Number of moles of methane we know from here. So from this we can get what in the sense mass of methane we will get. So mass of methane we calculated. On calculation we are getting mass of methane is 96 gram. Okay. So we calculated what in the sense of mass of methane we calculated. Okay, let us go to next sum. Next sum, 3.7 gram of a gas. 3.7 gram of a gas at 25 degrees Celsius. At 25 degrees Celsius occupy the same volume. occupy the same volume as 0.184 gram as 0.184 gram hydrogen, 0.184 gram hydrogen at 17 degrees Celsius, at the same pressure, What is the molecular weight of gas? What is the molecular weight of gas? Sir, now this gas is given and another gas is hydrogen. So for this, this is unknown gas, so that molecular weight they are asking. So now unknown gas, we do not know formula, so that molecular weight they are asking. Now what is the pressure of this? Same pressure they said, so pressure is same. Then they said same volume, so volume is same. Number of moles, we will see. Number of moles means mass of gas by gram molecular mass of gas into R. Temperature is given 25 degrees Celsius for unknown gas, that we will convert into Kelvin. Okay, it is for unknown gas. Now we will take hydrogen. For hydrogen, pressure is same, so P. Volume is same, so V. And mass of hydrogen, how much means 0.184 gram. 0.184 gram. Gram molecular mass of hydrogen is 2 gram per mole. Atomic mass is 1, and 2 times atoms are there. Therefore, 1 into 2 gram per mole into R. Temperature given 17 degrees Celsius, convert into Kelvin, so 290 Kelvin. It is second equation. Now we will divide first equation by second equation. So first equation is PV is equal to 3.7 gram molecular mass into R into 298 Kelvin. Sorry. Now we will take second equation. So we will take second equation now. Second equation, PV here 0.184 gram by 2 gram per mole into R into 298 Kelvin. Now we will cancel the common things and we will go for required. So here Kelvin cancel, R cancel, gram cancel, then PV cancel. So what is the rest we will see. So gram molecular mass. So from this, what we can find in the sense gram molecular mass, we can find it. That is 41.326. Unit is gram per mole. Okay, here gram is there, here per mole is there. Unit is gram per mole, we can say. Sir, I will go to next question. 5 gram of ethane. 5 gram of ethane. 5 gram of ethane are confined in a bulb of. Are confined in a bulb of 1 liter capacity. 1 liter capacity. The bulb is so weak. The bulb is so weak. The bulb is so weak that it will burst. That it will burst if the pressure exceeds. If the pressure exceeds 10 atmosphere, at what temperature? At what temperature will the pressure of gas reach the bursting value? Will the pressure of gas reach the bursting value? Sir. Okay. Now what they said in the sense, they are taking a bulb here. They have taken a bulb. Sir. Okay, this is a bulb. Bulb is taken. In this bulb, what is taken? 5 gram of ethane. 5 gram of ethane. Ethane formula C2H6. Sir. So 5 gram of ethane is taken. It is 1 liter capacity. This bulb is 1 liter capacity. The bulb is so big that it will burst if the pressure exceeds 10 atmosphere. That means its maximum capacity to hold pressure is 10 atmosphere. Maximum capacity to hold pressure is 10 atmosphere. If pressure becomes greater than 10 atmosphere, then bulb is bursting. bulb will burst. Okay, it will break. It will break. At what temperature will the pressure of gas reach the bursting value? Okay, so what is the temperature? So this bulb can hold the gas till the pressure is 10 atmosphere. If pressure exceed 10 atmosphere, it will burst. Okay, so 10 atmosphere we have taken. Now we will take a PV is equal to nRT formula. So pressure we will substitute 10 atmosphere. Volume we will substitute 1 liter. Number of moles means mass of gas. Mass of gas by gram molecular mass of gas. Gram molecular mass of ethane is 30. Unit is gram per mole. Why? Because carbon is 12. 2 times 12 into 2, 24. Hydrogen is 1. 1 into 6, 6. Sum is 30. Into R is 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. It is what means R. Then we'll substitute temperature. Temperature is we have to find it. Temperature we have to find it. So what are the common units that will cancel? So we'll cancel atmosphere, we'll cancel liter, we'll cancel gram, we'll cancel per mole. What is left per Kelvin? That is per T. So T is equal to, we got T is equal to how much means 730.81 Kelvin. Okay, so we got what in the sense T we got it. So when the temperature is 730.81 Kelvin, the pressure of ethane gas, in the bulb is 10 atmosphere. Correct? Now you say when the temperature is greater than this, pressure will be greater than 10 atmosphere, then bulb is bursting. So that temperature should not be greater than this. If temperature goes greater than this, pressure will become greater than 10 atmosphere, then bulb will break. Bulb will break. Okay, na? So bulb should not break means we can take temperature of the bulb till 730.81 Kelvin. We can take. Beyond that, what happens means bulb burst. We can say bulb will break. We can say. Sir. So we'll go to next question. An iron cylinder contains helium at a pressure of 250 kilopascal at 300 Kelvin. The cylinder can withstand a pressure of a pressure of 1 into 10 to the power of 6 Pascal. 1 into 10 to the power of 6 Pascal. The room in which cylinder is placed catches fire. The room in which cylinder is placed catches fire. Predict whether the cylinder will blow up before it melts or not. Before it melts or not. Melting point of cylinder 1800 Kelvin. Okay, sir. An iron cylinder, here in the question, an iron cylinder contains helium at a pressure of 250 kilopascal. Pressure is given, sir. So pressure of helium gas is given, temperature is given. The cylinder can withstand a pressure of this much. Cylinder can hold this much pressure. If the pressure becomes greater than this, then cylinder can break. The room in which the cylinder is placed catches fire. Predict whether the cylinder will blow up before it melts or not. Melting point of cylinder is this much. So we'll take the cylinder. So we have taken the cylinder. So in this cylinder, it is having some temperature. It is catching fire. That means the room is catching fire. Therefore, what happens means the temperature increases. When the temperature attains 800 Kelvin, 1800 Kelvin, it starts to melt. It starts to melt, isn't it? It starts to melt. Sorry. Now we will see. Now we will take PV is equal to nRT. Pressure will take maximum 1 into 10 to the power of 6 Pascal. This Pascal we will convert into, Pascal is given. This Pascal we have to convert into what, in the sense atmosphere we will convert. So what is the relation between atmosphere and Pascal? We'll see. So 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.01325 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square, otherwise Pascal. Okay. So we have to convert Pascal into atmosphere, means what we have to do? We have to divide this by so and so number. We have to divide the Pascal by what number we have to divide? So and so number. Okay, 1 atmosphere is equal to this much Pascal. So if you want to convert Pascal into atmosphere, divide by this value. Okay. Therefore, 1 into 10 to the power of 6 by 1.01325 into 10 to the power of 5 atmosphere. Okay, we got pressure in atmosphere, we got it. Set. Volume of cylinder, is it given or not? You see, this is what, in the sense, this is a pressure, this much pressure it can hold. What is the pressure of helium gas? 250 kilopascal is the pressure of helium gas. Correct? 250 kilopascal is the pressure of helium gas. The cylinder can withstand a pressure of this much. This much pressure it can withstand. Beyond that, it will burst. Beyond that, it will burst. Okay. So we will take a maximum pressure it can hold, that we will take. Maximum pressure it can hold is this much. Sorry, maximum pressure it can hold is this much. Sorry. Now this pressure of gas, this is 250 kilopascal, means that we will see. Now 250 kilopascal means that we can say 250 into 10 to the power of 3 Pascal. Therefore 2.5 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. 2.5 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Okay. So pressure of helium gas is less than this one only. So the cylinder can withstand maximum how much? 10 power 6. If the pressure overcome this 10 power 6, it will burst, isn't it? Sir. So we'll take PV is equal to nRT. So maximum pressure cylinder can withstand is 10 power 6 Pascal, that we are converting into atmosphere. Sorry, maximum pressure cylinder can withstand is this much. If pressure exceeds this, the cylinder will break. Okay. So volume of cylinder we'll see. Volume of cylinder is given or not, you see. Volume of cylinder. Sorry, volume of cylinder is not given. Okay. Volume of cylinder is not given. Sorry. So we'll do one thing. First, we'll take the given data. We'll take as per given data. We'll see as per given data. Okay. Pressure is how much? We'll see. Pressure is how much, means 250 kilopascal. That we will take. So 250 kilopascal, that we will convert into Pascal. Pascal, that we will convert into atmosphere. Okay. Now atmosphere into volume, number of moles of gas, into R, temperature is how much at this condition, means temperature is given 300 Kelvin. So that 300 Kelvin will substitute. It is number 1. Okay, we will go to number 2. So at number 2, what happens, means fire is taking place. At number 2 means firing. Due to firing, here temperature is rising, so pressure also rising. It can withstand pressure till this much. Okay, till that much. Till that much it can withstand. Okay. That pressure we'll see. We'll take 1 into 10 to the power of 6. That pressure will convert this into what, means atmosphere. Atmosphere, volume of cylinder, number of moles of gas, or temperature, we will find it. We will find temperature here. So this is equation number 2. By using equation number 1 and equation number 2, we will find the temperature. The temperature is how much, means 1200 Kelvin. 1200 Kelvin. Here we got the temperature. The temperature is how much, means 1200 Kelvin. So when the pressure becomes, when the pressure of helium gas, becomes 1 into 10 power 6 Pascal. The temperature is the temperature attains 1200 Kelvin. The temperature attains 1200 Kelvin. If temperature becomes more than this, pressure will become more than this, then what will happen? The cylinder will burst. So now you say whether cylinder burst first or melting first. So cylinder burst first. Okay, cylinder blow off first before melting. Cylinder blow off before melting. Before melting, we can say. Sir. So what happens to the cylinder? That point we got an idea. Next, we will go to next sum. Oxygen is present in 1 liter flask. Oxygen is present in 1 liter flask. Oxygen is present in 1 liter flask at a pressure of 7.6 into 10 power minus 10. 7.6 into 10 power minus 10 millimeter of mercury. Calculate number of oxygen molecules. Calculate number of oxygen molecules. Calculate number of oxygen molecules at 0 degrees Celsius. Calculate number of oxygen molecules at 0 degrees Celsius. Set. Now we will take ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. We will take. Sorry. So now we will take PV is equal to nRT. In PV is equal to nRT, first is pressure. Pressure is how much? Means 7.6 into 10 power minus 10 millimeter. 7.6 into 10 power minus 10 millimeter. We will convert this into atmosphere, for which we will divide this by 760. So we got atmosphere. Now volume we will substitute. It is number of moles of gas. R is 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Then temperature will substitute. Temperature is 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin. From this, by simplifying this, we will get N. N is called what? Means number of moles of oxygen molecules. Number of moles of oxygen molecules, we can get it, sir. So we got what in the sense number of moles of oxygen molecules we got, that is 4.46 into 10 to the power of minus 40. 10 to the power of minus 40. Okay. We calculated number of moles. Now we will calculate number of molecules. We will calculate. So number of oxygen molecules. Number of oxygen molecules is equal to number of moles of oxygen molecules. Number of moles of oxygen molecules into Avogadro number. Number of moles will substitute 4.46 into 10 power minus 14. Avogadro number is how much? Means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So by simplifying, we are calculating number of oxygen molecules. Number of oxygen molecules comes as 2.68 into 10 to the power of 10. 2.68 into 10 to the power of 10. It is the number of oxygen molecules. Okay. We'll go to next sum. Calculate the density of carbon dioxide. Calculate the density of carbon dioxide. Calculate the density of carbon dioxide at 100 degrees Celsius and 800 mm mercury. 800 mm mercury pressure. 800 mm mercury pressure. Sir. So we have to find density, temperature, and pressure is given. Now we will take ideal gas equation. So ideal gas equation is what? Means PV is equal to nRT. So PV, N is what? Means mass by gram molecular mass. Mass by gram molecular mass into RT. Now we will rewrite pressure is equal to this mass by volume into RT by gram molecular mass. Then we can say P is equal to mass by volume is a density, RT by gram molecular mass. Therefore we got density. Density is equal to pressure into gram molecular mass by RT. So we got the formula of density. Density formula we got it. Now we will substitute the values. We will substitute. So density we have to find it. Density is equal to pressure. Pressure of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide pressure given 800 mm. Mm we will convert into atmosphere. So we will divide by 760. Then gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram per mole. Why? Because carbon is 12. Oxygen atomic mass 16. 16 into 2 32. 32 plus 12 44. So carbon dioxide gram molecular mass we substituted. R value is 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Then temperature we have to substitute 100 degrees Celsius given, convert into Kelvin. Kelvin in the sense 373. Kelvin, cancel the common units. Cancel the common units. Atmosphere we can cancel. Gram we can, gram is not cancelling. Gram is not cancelling. Then per mole is getting cancelled. Then per Kelvin and Kelvin is getting cancelled. So we will get density. So we are calculating, we are getting density. Density is how much in the sense 1.5124. What is the unit means here? Gram is there. Here what is there means a liter. Therefore a gram per liter we are getting density. So we calculated what we calculated in the sense density we calculated. Okay, let us go to next sum. This sum you have to do and say. So now we will say the pressure exerted by 12 gram of an ideal gas. 12 gram of an ideal gas. 12 gram of an ideal gas at temperature T degree Celsius. At temperature T degree Celsius in a vessel of volume. In a vessel of volume, V liter is 1 atmosphere. V liter is 1 atmosphere. What when the temperature is increased by, when the temperature is increased by 10 degree, increased by 10 degree at the same volume, the pressure increases by 10%. The pressure increases by 10%. Calculate the temperature T and volume V. Calculate the temperature T and volume V. Molecular weight of gas. Molecular weight of gas is given 120. Okay, this question you have to practice and you have to say. So temperature how much means answer I will say. Answer is temperature is given minus 173 degrees Celsius temperature, and volume is how much in the sense volume is equal to 0.82 liter. It is the answer. Okay, you do and say this. You do this question and say the answer. Okay, so now we will discuss a little here. 12 gram of ideal gas. What is ideal gas? Ideal gas means which obeys gas laws. Which obeys gas laws. Gas laws means Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro's law, Gay-Lussac law, like this, which is obeying gas laws. At temperature given symbolic representation T degree Celsius. Volume is V liter. Pressure is 1 atmosphere. So pressure given, weight of gas given, molecular weight of gas given. Weight of gas and molecular weight of gas is known means we can find what number of moles of gas we can find it, isn't it? When the temperature is increased by 10 degree, that means temperature becomes what? Initially T, now 10. Therefore T plus 10. Temperature becomes T plus 10. Correct? Volume remains same, they said. The pressure increases by 10%. So here pressure is 1 atmosphere. 10% increases means what? 1 into 10 by 100 increased. Therefore final is what? Final is this much. This is initial. In how much increases? 10%. So increased is this much. So becomes how much? This one plus this one. So this one plus this one. Okay. Therefore the pressure becomes this much. So what is the find this volume? Find this volume and find this temperature they are asking. Use ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. You can get this temperature T in degree Celsius you can get, and the volume in V liter we can get. Okay. Only thing what are changing, you see that what are changing? Temperature and